Did I not announce it several months ago? But you're thinking that I'm running? You are speculating that I am running. Is that the popular notion sa...
Mr. President.
Yan ang isip ninyo. And it is the almost a... O sige, tatakbo na lang ako. Yung gusto ninyo.
Yung si Salvador Panilo, duhak daw ang kung dili daw senador o mayor ayan imong daganan according to attorney.
Well, let me put it this way. Kilala naman niyo ako. I've been your mayor for so many years now. You think that I can carry a national campaign at my age? Or you want me to die? Magkukulaps lang ako niyan eh. Well, anyway guys, I think that at my age, 73, mukhang hindi ko na kaya. Let us be realistic about it.
Pero are you considering local position?
Well, I am open to suggestions from the media. What do you think I should be gunning for? Iyo yan.
Mayor.
Who else? Ikaw. Sino
Of
pa?
course.
Also,
Of course. Mayor.
Mayor tayo.
Mayor, sure,
Kaya mo
Mayor.
pa, Mayor. Kaya mo pa.
Sure,
Basta
Mayor.
Mayor.
Oh, yan ang gusto. Is it a public clamor? Sa media? Is the media's sentiment now reflect the community ano?
Yes, yes, of course.
Gusto ng tao, ibig sabihin?
Yes,
Sige, mag-mayor tayo.
How about Mayor Baste and Consuelo?
What will happen to Mayor Baste?
He should be the vice mayor. Kasi ako matanda na, 73 ako ngayon. I should be, I think about mga 75, 76. May cancer kasi ako. Kung makakalaan yun lahat ng tao, healthy. Baka hindi pa rin inabot.
It's going to be Duterte.
You're going to appear kasi yung quantum ng Congress wants you to appear sa...
Well, if it's their pleasure, why not?
So are you going to...
Yes. Anong gusto nang malaman sa akin?
They're investigating yung extradition
Ako, totoo yan. Wala.
relations sa Congo and other...
Wala ako na. Wala
illegal drugs.
wala tayong pugo. Kaya nga namamatay yung mga tao dito dahil dyan sa illegal drugs. Pugo, that is, we are too far away from that. Hindi mo ka alam maglaro ng pugo? Alam mo maglaro ng pugo?
So you're going to appear, Mayor,
Sa,
sa Congress?
well, if they will invite me. I just hope that they would ask educated questions.
How do you feel, Mayor, na yung mga pulis natin like Karma, De Leon, and other PNP, kinipisa, ngayon contempt sila kung hindi makaka-Christmas with their family dahil...
They will have vote on legally. Iko-consult ako sa mga abogado. I would leave it to the lawyers to... hindi ako practicing lawyer. So I would not to the dynamics of what are the rules now. All that I can do is to provide them with lawyers. Tutulong talaga ako sa police pati military. Lalo na in the performance of their duty, itataya ko pati ang sarili kong reputasyon.
Any comment about the Congress? You've been a congressman, Mayor. Tapos ngayon, ang Congress mukha naging investigating body, mas masahol pa sa NBI at contempt ng kanilang mga resource person.
Ang suggestion ko nga, i-abolish na ng NBI, pati police, sila na lang. That's my suggestion, you tell them.
Mayor, ang sabi ni Inday, may Duterte tatakbo ng senador. Sino kaya? Paulo, Basti, or you?
Not me. Hindi ko na kaya sa...
Basti siguro? Ganun ba?
I really do not know. Hindi kami nag-uusap. Truth to tell, we have yet to set down at this very late filing na of what we would like things to happen sa aming political life. Ako, I'm ready to retire. Hindi naman ako sabag marunong, but maybe the desire to be senator, mayor, or nandyan, but ang problema, ang katawan, ang hindi na. May trabaho kasi yan. And if it would entail or require me to travel a lot, physical movement, mukhang hindi ko na. May ano kasi ako, may imbalance kasi yung pera ko sa right pocket, pati sa left, hindi it's not even. Wala na ang pera. Kaya baka tatakbo ako, totoo.
Mayor, sino pang dadagdag sa PDP line-up for senators?
Sa totoo talaga, ha? Frankly, wala pa akong hindi ko pa na I have yet to read the list na nag-file ng ano nila, candidates. Hindi ko alam sino yung nagtuloy, sino hindi.
Kuya Mayor, kung sa'y debate sa usa ka famous nga Rodrigo Duterte nga ang iyang apo na nakaroon sa politika. Si Rico Duterte nag-file na sa iyang COC for councilor. How about Kapitan Omar Duterte? Will he file for congressman in the 2nd district of Davao?
Gusto man siguro nila ako, ilatanan, ihatag na lang nila. Give it to them. You know, ito at wala itong ano. Do you know the reason why? It's because we come from a political family. Even in the now, post-war, basahin ninyo, i-google nyo ninyo, nandyan yan eh. Post-war, right after, ang tatay ko naging mayor na ng Danao, which is a city now. Hindi talaga nawala sa politika. Pagdating dito, he served for a few years as a secretary to the board or provincial secretary, they call it. Then politics again. Political family kami. I am not surprised even if I do not want them to kasi magulo, hindi naman walang kwenta. Pangit naman pakinggan, pero merong trabaho mas maganda pa dyan sa magiging politiko ka. Hindi ka naman magnegosyo ka, magyayaman ka. Ngayon, kung pasok ka ng politika, magnakaw ka talaga. To assure you of a comfortable and luxurious retirement. Kung hindi ka marunong magnakaw, I think that at one time sa buhay mo as a politician, you better stop and think of going into a more profitable or productive